Hiya, welcome back to the channel. Well, this is just going to be pretty short actually. Unless I can drag it out for a bit, this is going to be pretty short. If you watch what happens here, when I do the windscreen wiper intons. Yes. I don't know how well that's showing up, but it's pretty fucking streaky and shit. So, this wiper isn't actually that old. I fitted this about 6 months ago or something. But obviously, we're in sunny Oldham, so it does get used a lot. So I'm going to try and clean the wiper and rejuvenate the wiper so it works in a manner that is acceptable. And the first thing I need to do is... oh no, that doesn't lift up. So... Right, that's not going to work the way I wanted it to. I was going to lift the wiper up so that we could get to it, but we can't because it doesn't do that on this car, I forgot. And doing it in the actual rain is probably not the best time to actually do it, but at least we'll know if it works quite fast. So I'm going to take this rag, I'm going to put a little bit of WD-40 on it, and then I'm going to put a lot more on it, just to make sure I'm putting enough on it. That'll do. And then, hang on a minute. This might work. Yes. Then it's just sort of self-explanatory, as in I'm going to use the WD-40 in the rag to clean the wiper off. And as you can see, there is shit coming off that wiper, which is a good sign. It means that we're accomplishing something. Now I'm just going to repeat the process a few times for the whole length of the wiper, and each time I'm doing it there is dirt coming off it, but not as much as it was coming off to start with, so I think that'll probably do now. So let's try the shitter. Moment of truth. Well, it is a little bit better actually, but not as good as I was hoping for. And I think the reason for that is because the windscreen itself is not exactly clean. So I've got some professional, I don't know if I'll be able to use this because it's professional turtle wax glass cleaner. So I'm going to try cleaning the windscreen and see if that makes any better. No idea how much to use, so I'm just going to put some on like that and then wipe it. I mean, how else would you use glass cleaner? And then now, I'm going to keep wiping it until it's dry. But it's raining, so this could take a while. Okay, so this doesn't actually seem to be going as well as what I'd hoped, and I've used a shitload of rags. And it doesn't seem to be getting that much better. I mean, it's slightly better, but it's not like a new one. So fuck it, it's time for plan B. Yes. 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 Maybe it wasn't as stupid an idea as what I thought it was. So, actually, just leathering the windscreen with a load of glass cleaner with the wipers on seems to have been the thing that's worked the best. I wasn't expecting that. It was like a last resort thing when the other things... I mean, putting WD-40 on the wiper blade, right, did work a bit. But it wasn't like a new wiper. But it did work, and it quietened it down. But I was a bit disappointed. It only sort of did half a job. So then I thought I'd clean the windscreen with some glass cleaner. It just seems to be getting worse every time I did it. And then, well, you've seen what I did. And maybe it's a new hack. Fuck knows. Anyway, that's all for this one. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all the usual shit. Tell me what I've done stupid. You know, there will be something. And check out my Instagram. And I'll see you next time.